These are where the fresh lobster are. They're live and they're fresh. This is where I buy my lobster is sometimes. So, getting the wieners. These are the sausages. I'm really not too fond of red meat because it's made like with blood sometimes, like blood sausage and stuff like that. These are the chicken sausage andouille, no pork. These are the Hebrew national hot dogs. Everybody who loves hot dogs know what Hebrew is. These are the JB sausages made with pork and beef. And these are the Hafi sausages. These are the beef franks, the Hebrew. I prefer Hebrew. So this is what I'm gonna be getting right here. This is where I need to come and stock up on my hot sauce at. Liquid smoke. If you know what liquid smoke is, that's what you put when you barbecue. You can put like a little on your meat, then a little on your barbecue sauce. It'll bring like that smoky flavor to it. This is my favorite right here, Lee and Perkins. Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire, however you want it. I like this one a little bit too salty. This right here, this is stuff they use in the hospital. It's a pretty good brand too. Boom. Yeah, I want this right here. So we are getting the mayonnaise. I like this mayonnaise, Hellmann's. So let me see how much this is. This is like sale price for like $12. That's how much it is, and I like using this. So I think I might get this, the Hellmann's, or the mayo. Depends on which one is cheaper. That's $12. This is $10. Ooh, I'm just. We can get this one right here.
This one?
It don't. Yeah. Decided. I'm really trying to see which one I should get. I know this is smaller. This could go inside the my refrigerator ice box. I call it ice box. I'm old school. I get this. I might have to lay it down. The price is $10. I love this. $10. And this is like $12. So I don't know what to get, guys. I definitely need some more mustard. I was telling my husband when we move, we need to come here and stock up on the stuff that we need because I don't like running back and forth to the store. Heinz and French's. I eat Grey Poupon. Y'all caught me in a moment. Grey Poupon mustard. Red Boy. I don't know about this. So this is like the bucket mustard, but this is like for vegans, Hellmann's vegan sandwich bread. I might buy this and try and give it a shot. Like the chili sauce to make chili sauce. This is like the glass bottles. This is in a restaurant. Also has this stuff if you have like a restaurant or a business. This is like the table trays that have like in a hotel, like the TV trays, you know, what we call it TV trays. It's like the baking sheets, and I think I'm gonna have to come and stock up on like some or a lot of my baking stuff. Right now I don't have any room because everything in my apartment is like all packed up. Or when you make the pizza, you put them like in the pizza oven and slide them in and stuff like that. Check them out. The pizza racks. I'm gonna come back and get this stuff little by little. Because when I move, I plan on doing a lot of more cooking than what I do at home. This right here, old school rolling pins to make pizza dough, biscuit, pastries, whatever you want to make them. Boom! This is supposed to say how much water?
27.
So I'm looking at this toilet paper and I'm gonna come back. Get this toilet paper later. I have spent all my money up. I wouldn't mind having this $10. But I might buy this pine soil. $13. $10. What's the damn difference? $10.81. Oh, I need a price check for this. For that right there. Give me that one. The big one. Okay. I'm not social distancing. Let me move back over here. It's called Miss Foodie Poo. Yeah. On YouTube. Like my comic strip. I'm working on. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, you been out here ready to go. So next time I come, I think I'm gonna bring my own suitcase, my bags and stuff like that. This eggs, everything else. It's a wrap. Thanks for watching Miss Foodie Poo. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Miss Foodie Poo and YouTube Miss Foodie Poo.
That means the ones in Memphis